bit different approach of cooking. Like I said, you do not want to be stuck with just cooking the same thing ever. Like, I love Polish food, yes I do, but sometimes I'm tired of it too. Like, all of us are tired of cooking the same things over and over. That's why we need a change from time to time. So today I'm going to make a little bit different kitchen, and this is one of my favorite ones. It is a Korean barbecue. Yes, I'm going to make it here at home in my kitchen, the Korean barbecue, and you're going to be like, what do you mean here in the home? So let's first have a few things out, and then we're going to play with different things. So first of all, in one of my Korean markets, I bought the flat meat, beef. I bought some amazing looking short ribs, and also it's called honeycomb pork belly. It looks so good. It's not even too fatty, it's just perfect looking. I also got already marinated some of the meats, so these ones are ready to go. You don't have to play with them too much. This is a marinated pork shoulder, and I also got marinated short ribs. So let's have those washed first, and I'm just going to use one simple spices on it. First of all, salt, and another thing, I'm going to use a smoked paprika to give that smokiness to the meat. All right, let me wash this, and we're going to start playing with spicing them up. All right, everything is nicely washed. Okay, so I'm going to grab a container. I'm going to use this container. It's going to be so much easier for me to just quickly spice up everything. Okay, so I'm just going to put that flat everything as much as I can. Okay, and we're going to do this in layers. Okay. Okay, that was quick and done. Now let's clean up. Okay. I also got this pretty green onions. I'm going to use them for the grilling. Okay, this I am not tossing. I am going to put this in my garden and they're going to give me more. So these are going to give me this beautiful green onions. So do not toss them. If you have a piece of garden anywhere, or you want to have your own green onions, just have a little planter with a little bit of soil, and they are going to give you a lot of green onions. Let's have that on the side. Okay, I already have a rice cooked over here, so let me introduce you to amazing machine that I'm going to use. Oh my, sorry guys, that onion was spicy. God. Ooh. So let me introduce you to my new machine, and I want to thank you GreenPan for sponsoring this video. They are truly amazing. They have this amazing machine that I'm going to be showing you more of the videos on it. So that is the Elite multi-grill, griddle and waffle maker. Yes, I mean, when this arrived to my home, I was amazed. It is such an easy machine to work with. Let me show you how easy it is to work with it. You have those plates that you can disconnect and put them into your dishwashers. So this is a non-stick ceramic coating, and it gives you this perfect crispiness every time you need to do anything from steak, eggs, you name it, and the perfect crunchy outside and very flaky inside waffles. I cannot even say more about that. Putting it all together, it's very easy. It's like flat. You can settle one side of cooking or both sides. You have a change of temperature. You can set up a timer. You can change the temperatures. They give you a guide for different temperatures depending on what meat you want to do. You can select the plate. This depends on if you want like lower, upper, or both, or just waffle making. It is a genius. You have a sear to sear your meat to have that even better crispiness in your meat. I mean, truly, it is this amazing machine. We are going to be testing it. Nothing better than tested on the Korean food. So let's get to it. Also, you have this drip container, so it's amazing that all the stuff that you don't want on the countertop or wherever you're cooking, it's going to catch it really quickly. All right, let's start the machine. I'm going to have both of them on, I'm going to put 400. I'm going to change that for 30 minutes. If anything, I can always change the time. Here we go. So every time you change the plate selection, is showing you which one you are doing. So, but for right now, I'm going to have both of those plates going. Alright, it is getting nice and warm. I already put it there, a little bit of oil. First, I'm going to use the marinated short ribs. Let's open them up. Nice. Whew, it's getting nice and hot. I love it. Okay. Ooh. I'm going to change the temperature. Okay, now let's put this on the other side. Wow! Okay, let's the magic continue. I love it. I'm going to give you the link to GreenPan below in the description, and also GreenPan is giving you, my viewers, the 25%, and the code is What's Up Polish Sister 25. It's going to be written up over here for you. Just remember, What's Up Polish Sister 25, and you have a healthy choice of cooking with non-stick ceramic. Woo, the heat is on. Perfect for you. So you can come over and have this amazing dinner tonight. So amazing multifunctional machine designed to give you a peace of mind, to give you the possibility to do with one simple machine breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So next time I'm going to have a challenge. I'm going to make all those 3 things in this one amazing machine. For right now, I just wanted to see how I can turn this beautiful Korean meat if this machine meets the expectation for us. And so far, I am amazed. Let's see how the other side looks like when we turn. Ooh, look at that! Doesn't that look amazing? You have perfect smears of the grill marks. All right, let's do the other side. Nice. I'm going to set it up for 425. And remember that you can sear that. The sear is going to give you this perfect 500 Fahrenheit temperature, and it's going to be kept for 2 minutes, so you can sear your steak, your meat to the perfection. with just a little effort. Look at this amount of meat with just one small but mighty machine. So comment me, would you love to see a machine like this when you and your family have, for example, a little barbecue of a Korean barbecue or any kind of meat that you would love to have easily grilled and seared on a simple mighty machine like that? And also comment me, what would you like to see of me doing on this machine? Because can you imagine making on this machine, searing this nicely made homemade Polish sausage? I'm like, I'm into it. I already made one sausage. It's like a white sausage. You can do that white sausage on it too. But very soon I'm going to be making my homemade smoked sausage. And that video it's coming too, because I have to review those videos. So when I have that sausage made, I'm going to use this machine to show you how to use a Polish sausage on this mighty, amazing, multifunctional machine from GreenPan. Thank you so much for being with me, and thank you GreenPan for sponsoring this video. I will see you, all of you, with my next video. Have an amazing day.